In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView charts with Exness for analysis and execution. First, here's the key idea. Exness doesn't natively link TradingView for live order routing, but you can still work with TradingView charts in two practical ways. The simplest is to switch the charting engine inside the Exness web terminal to the built-in TradingView charts for your analysis, then place orders through Exness as usual. Alternatively, you can keep your analysis on the TradingView website and manually execute trades on Exness. If you want automated or one-click execution from TradingView alerts, that requires a third-party bridge, such as Webhook Trade. Let's start with the Exness web terminal. Log in, open a chart for the instrument you want, and look for the chart settings or provider menu. Switch the chart type to the TradingView option. You'll get TradingView's familiar drawing tools, indicators, and layouts, all using Exness's pricing. Customize your workspace. Add indicators, create templates, and save your layout so it loads next time. If you like multi-time frame analysis, open additional charts of the same symbol with different time frames to keep your view consistent. When you're ready to trade, use the Exness order panel on the right to set volume, stop loss, and take profit, and then confirm. This approach keeps everything in one place while leveraging TradingView's charting toolkit. Next is the common workflow many traders prefer. Analyze on TradingView, execute on Exness. Open TradingView in your browser, run your usual analysis, and even set alerts for key levels or indicator conditions. When an alert fires, switch to the Exness web terminal and place the order. Be sure the instrument names match exactly, including any suffixes, and confirm the order type, lot size, and risk parameters before you send it. Double-check time zones if you rely on session-based strategies, and remember that slight price differences can occur between data feeds, so manage slippage and use limit orders when precision matters. Finally, if you want TradingView alerts to trigger orders automatically, consider a third-party bridge like Webhook Trade. The basic flow is to create alerts in TradingView with webhook messages, which the bridge receives and translates into trades on your Exness account via MT4, MT5, or an API pathway. If you go this route, test on a demo first, carefully map alert messages to the correct order types, and monitor latency and reliability. Review the provider's documentation, costs, and security practices before connecting anything to a live account. To wrap up, use the built-in TradingView charts in Exness for an integrated experience. Stick with the Analyze on TradingView and execute on Exness method for simplicity, or explore a bridge if you need automation. Start simple, validate your setup, and scale confidently.